Peace, y'all. Figured I'd go ahead and wrap it up for the 11th. Get this. You haven't seen this in a long time. We've been using this, the GoPro waterproof. It's about the same era. It's just called waterproof. The camera doesn't come out of the waterproof case. It's about the same era as a 3.4, Hero 3, Hero 4. Look at this. We finally got our waterlogged, lost Grattan camera back. And the one we had been shooting video on, it had the little nick on the lens, right? We had 2 lenses installed, an LCD board on the one that had the nick on the lens, because when I took it apart, I should have watched the how-to video first, because I actually botched that up. It was only a $30 mistake, so no big deal. The whole thing sent back to me. He even felt bad because it took him forever to get it done. Sent me a free battery and a charger. So tomorrow, we've got some work to do. We've got the little bench that we cut off. Told you this was the perfect size for this here. I want the fridge up in the air, up here. So we're going to build a little bench. We're going to use this bench as perfect size. We'll do some framing, some legs. And then when Rich comes over, he can help me get that fridge up in the air. That way it leaves us storage underneath for some things. The wife really needs to figure out what she's got going here, because tables, chairs, all this stuff, I get it. We don't have a basement, and they're kind of too awkward to put up top. But I'm going to have to find another place for those, probably in the back room, more than likely on the water side. We still have plenty of room there, as long as we got enough room to get in and out, just flip breakers if we need to, and for the water guy to come every few months. You know, there's plenty of storage on that side. We just haven't even really touched it yet. So that's it. We're going to build this up. A bunch of this stuff, these garbage cans, are going to go up in the garden. This one isn't. That's the famous Lawson torpedo, baby. We're keeping that one for sure. Yeah, man. I think the inner is in there too as well. There's a little metal can that goes inside there. It's here somewhere. Yeah, it's here somewhere. But yeah, so the kart's sleeping. 4-banger. F-125, kitty helmets and all that stuff. I've got to find somewhere to put this crap here, which is a big heavy metal scrap. Some antifreeze that we put in and out of the cart, blowing it through with water so it's not, you know, out of the bottle anymore. So it's probably only good for 10 below. Maybe I'll spray it on the weeds out here in the driveway. The antifreeze, that'll kill those damn weeds, won't it? Won't it? Hello, little message, guys. Will antifreeze kill? I mean, I know gasoline will, but then my whole yard will reek like gas, and, you know, with 10% for the big guy, gas is too expensive. If the guy got leftover antifreeze, it ain't no good for nothing. If it'll kill weeds, I'm going to spray it all over the driveway and kill the weeds out here. Yeah, so we'll get that going. All this cardboard is going to the burn. So we've got, you saw that stuff we had out there, that one branch that we cut down on our own. We'll go ahead and burn all that stuff up and get the cardboard out of the way. This really is nice, man. I don't know why I didn't do this a long time ago. It was easy just to pack stuff back here and not here. It's still an eyesore, don't get me wrong. But wow. I'm going to be able to sleep really well tonight. So that's it. From the back room at the RPM China Shop, where God knows what's going to happen back here someday. That's it. That's all we got for you. Once we get the wife out here to figure out what she's doing with her stuff, we'll have a big open area here. That's Richie's cart will be on that stand. All this other gobbledygook will be gone. We'll be recording on a repaired camera. The audio on the snow camera, what we'll call that, the lost camera that we found up at Grattan. The audio doesn't work real well, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to end up using that for a foot cam. Doesn't really matter what the sound, if it's good or not for a foot cam, but that ought to be pretty exciting. And then we'll be back to work. We'll be back to hitting it hard. We've got all of our parts that came. Man, we're really looking forward to getting things going here. So we're the day after Sherry's birthday. I'm Robert, and we're out in China praying for you. Hang in there, y'all. Godspeed. God bless. It's going to get better. I'm telling you. It's going to get better. Look at that. I'm pretty happy with that.